Hello, 10:12 a.m. 10:12 a.m. Ohio. 25 degrees and a lot of snow. November and December we had warm weather and little to no snow. January we've been getting frigid cold and a lot of snow. So it's been snowing pretty heavy. It's Sunday morning, January 23rd, 2022. Everything is really covered from the trees down. The roads and parking lots and cars, trees. Interstate 80, the Ohio Turnpike's over there. The cars are moving pretty good. So they must have pre-treated the Interstate 80 well with salt. I hear now they're messing around with trying to use sugar or a salt and sugar mix. I noticed yesterday when I was out there was some notice on the highways of salt brine that was pre-sprayed. You can see some of the traffic going along the Ohio Turnpike there, Interstate 80. But I'm really getting snowed on. Been getting a lot of frigid cold and snow lately. It's pretty when the trees are covered. It's no fun shoveling it or driving in it. If you like the snow and the cold, enjoy it. Strongsville, Ohio, Cuyahoga County.